In these hard times where we all see people getting infected in almost every house, it's important we behave responsibly and at least take what experts have worked so hard for, that is the COVID vaccine. So basically there are many vaccines approved globally, but in this video we will mainly talk about those which are approved in India. These are one manufactured by the Serum Institute of the India, that is the Covishield, and the other one is the indigenously developed Covaxin. In Covishield, a part of the virus is incorporated into a non-pathogenic or non-disease causing vector and is introduced into the body. And in Covaxin, it's basically the inactivated virus which is injected into the body. Well, one should not think about the composition of the vaccine at present, because vaccines get approval only when safety and the efficacy standards are met, and then the nations approve particular vaccines based on the population, the different age groups, the prevalence of certain diseases, the storage facilities available. Now talking about the side effects. So mild and short lasting side effects as seen with any other vaccine can be seen, and these include fever, headache, body ache, pain at the injection site, diarrhea, etc. But one should consult the physician if it persists for more than 3 days or are severe. These can be breathlessness or rashes. Now there are certain conditions when one should avoid taking the dose or should consult the physician before taking it. These are: if you have any history of allergy to a particular vaccine or some disease or medicines, then you should avoid it. Patients living with the HIV or those who are on immunosuppressant drugs. These can be those who have some history of transplantation or autoimmune diseases, etc. अब हम कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस की बात करेंगे जो आज ऑलमोस्ट सभी वैक्सीन कैंडिडेट्स के माइंड में है, जैसे कि आई हैव टेकन द वैक्सीन, सो एम आई सेफ फ्रॉम द कोविड नाउ, और व्हेन डज द वैक्सीन स्टार्ट्स टू एक्ट. So the vaccine will start to give the protection soon after the first dose, but the full-fledged protection is only provided after the 2 weeks of the second dose. Even if there is a minimal chance of getting the infection again, being vaccinated will lower the risk of the possible complication. Getting vaccine boosts the person's immunity and should not be ignored. पास्ट इन्फेक्शन जो होता है वो हमें कुछ इम्यूनिटी दे देता है, बट ये इम्यूनिटी कुछ समय तक रहती है, इसलिए बेटर होता है कि हम अपनी जो डोज है, हमें वैक्सीनेशन है, हम उसको थोड़ा डिले कर दें. यूजुअली हम इसको 2 to 8 वीक्स तक डिले करते हैं. No evidence of adverse effect is noted on the fetus or the neonates, but limited studies have been conducted. So immunization is to be done only in case of high risk, like in case of healthcare workers. In case of diabetics, the disease becomes usually severe and sometimes take their lives also. So such patients must take the vaccine and control their blood sugars. Next common doubt is that if somebody has the symptoms of the COVID, then should he or she take the dose? Then the answer for this is the vaccine is advisable to be given only after 2 weeks of the resolution of the symptoms. No evidence is there that alcohol decreases the efficacy of the vaccine, but side effects post-vaccination may be difficult to distinguish from the body's response to the alcohol. Also, the alcohol makes one dehydrated, so it's better to be avoided at least for a few days. Then the most common doubt, that what to eat before and after the vaccination. So ऐसा नहीं है यहाँ पर कुछ कि हमें कोई पर्टिकुलर आइटम को अवॉइड करना है या फिर उस चीज़ को खाना है जिससे वैक्सीन बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से एक्ट करेगी या फिर हमें बीमारी नहीं होगी। वी हैव टू कीप अ बेसिक आइडिया दैट ईट हेल्दी, that will reduce the chances of getting the infection and reduce the complications if you get the infection. So first इसमें हमें रखना है that you have to stay hydrated, drink as much water as possible and other liquids. Second is reduce the processed food, and the third is reduce the intake of the saturated fatty acids which are usually seen present in ghee or other things. Also, high fiber diet like in salad is also advisable. If you like the video, please share with your friends and do subscribe to my channel and comment in the comment section. Thank you.